In this tutorial, I will teach you how to embed a PDF in Squarespace. This is a simple process that involves uploading your PDF to a hosting service that provides embedded codes such as Google Drive or TinyHost. First, let's talk about uploading the PDF. You will need to select your preferred hosting service. In this case, we are demonstrating with Google Drive and Tiny.host. If you are using Tiny.host, all you need to do is to follow the prompts after you upload your file to get the embed code. If you are using Google Drive, the process might look slightly different. After uploading your PDF, you need to right-click on it, select Share, then adjust the sharing settings to Anyone with the link can view. Afterward, press on the Get Link option, and voila! You have a shareable URL ready to be transformed into an embed code. Now that we have our PDF uploaded and the embed code ready, we can move to Squarespace. You need to visit the page editor in your Squarespace account. Look out for an insert point where you want to put your PDF and add a code block. Once you have the code block, you now want to paste the embed code that you got from your hosting service. Open the settings for the code block and insert the embed code there. Keep in mind that you may need to adjust certain elements in the embedded code. These adjustments depend on your PDF's URL and how much space you want your PDF to occupy on the web page. The sections in the code that you would need to manipulate are the src attribute, which must point to the direct URL of your PDF, and the width and height parameters, which define the size of the PDF on your web page. Lastly, to make sure all your hard work doesn't go to waste, do not forget to save your work by clicking on Save or Done. This will publish the changes you made, and you can then view your beautifully embedded PDF. Learning how to embed a PDF in Squarespace does not only make your site more interactive and comprehensive for your audience, but it also adds a professional touch, ensuring a smooth user experience. In summary, in this tutorial, we learned how to upload a PDF to a hosting service, how to extract an embed code, and how to use this code in Squarespace to embed the PDF onto your web page. Make sure you optimize the display of your PDF by adjusting the src attribute and the width and height parameters. This simple process brings a whole new aspect to your Squarespace site, making it more entertaining and informative. Thank you for following this tutorial on how to embed a PDF in Squarespace. With practice, you'll be able to embed any type of document with ease. Good luck with your website, and always remember that practice makes perfect.